Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a credit report dispute flow with Equifax, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify a credit report dispute flow with Equifax, start by gathering all relevant documentation related to your credit report. Obtain a copy of your credit report from Equifax. Review your credit report carefully to identify any inaccuracies or discrepancies. Take detailed notes of the errors you find during your review. Visit the Equifax website or call their customer service for instructions on how to submit your dispute. Choose the method that works best for you, online, by mail, or by phone. If disputing online, navigate to the dispute section of the Equifax website. Enter your information as prompted, ensuring accuracy for verification purposes. Provide a detailed description of each error you identified, along with any supporting documents. If disputing by mail, write a formal dispute letter including your contact information, a description of the errors, and copies of your supporting documentation. Send your dispute letter via certified mail to ensure you have proof of receipt. After submitting your dispute, keep track of any confirmation number or reference provided by Equifax. Equifax is required to investigate your dispute, typically taking up to 30 days. You may receive correspondence from Equifax regarding the results of their investigation. If your dispute is resolved in your favor, monitor your credit report to ensure the corrections are made. If your dispute is denied, review the reasons given. Repeat the dispute process if necessary, ensuring you have all relevant documentation and details. Stay organized and maintain copies of all correspondence for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.